Prague is one of the most fascinating and historical cities of Central Europe. This magnificent city, the capital of the Czechia, impresses its visitors with its unique architecture, historical texture, and fascinating atmosphere. The history of Prague extends from the Middle Ages to the present day. Prague Castle, located in the Hradčany district, is the heart of this historic city and has a panoramic view of the city. Prague Castle contains various buildings from the Gothic, Renaissance and Baroque periods and is fascinating with its historical value. Important buildings such as St Vitus Cathedral, the Royal Palace, St George's Basilica and the Golden Road are located in the Prague Castle complex. Town Square is one of the most famous and lively squares in Prague. It attracts tourists with its historical buildings. From the Middle Ages, cozy cafes, restaurants, and colorful houses. The Astronomical Clock in the Old Town Square is a 15th century building that presents an impressive show to visitors every hour. Most is an iconic bridge over the Moldo River and one of the symbols of Prague, decorated with Gothic-style sculptures. It is part of a historical and cultural heritage. Walking on the bridge is a great opportunity to discover the beauty of the city and the view of the river flowing over the bridge. Prague is also a city rich in art and culture, numerous museums, Galleries and theaters in the city offer artistic experiences to visitors. The Mucha Museum, where you can see the works of the famous artist Alphonse Mucha, exhibits examples of Art Nouveau art. You can also visit the Prague State Opera House to witness the music of famous composers such as Antonin Dvorak and Bedřich Smetana. Prague is also a beer paradise. Beer culture, which is a part of the Czechs, can be experienced in many beer houses and pubs in the city. You can taste Pilsner Urquell, a traditional Czech beer, and enjoy local beers on the streets of Prague. You also have many options to taste the flavors of traditional Czech cuisine. You can try flavors such as a sweet snack called trdelník, goulash soup, various meat dishes, and cheese pastries. Prague is also famous for its nightlife. The city is an ideal place for night entertainment, with its lively bars, nightclubs, and music venues. Many nightclubs and bars in areas such as Vinohrady and Žižkov offer visitors an unforgettable night out. It can also be a pleasant experience to explore the streets full of street artists, street musicians, and performances. While the streets of Prague fascinate with their narrow and historical texture, boat tours on the Vltava River allow you to explore the city from a different perspective. You can take a romantic boat trip on the river, or have a picnic in the riverside parks. In conclusion, Prague is a city that fascinates its visitors with its unique history, architecture, culture, and atmosphere. As one of Central Europe's favorite destinations, Prague offers many things to discover for history and art lovers, foodies, and nightlife lovers. Visit Prague and embark on an unforgettable journey to discover the unique charm and rich heritage of this fascinating city.